TWLO. You heard what I said. 5/24/2020, one of the best stocks on the planet when they beat earnings. Look at this big weekly move. Now we have ran up to the highs and we're overbought. And we are. And it's been a great bull run. And we've been trading this thing all along. Let's show you in our platform. This is a weekly chart in our platform, and you can clearly see this is the earnings report. We shot straight up. Then we made all-time highs and closed up here. This is a big price exhaustion. Each one delta movement is $13.39, and it went right to the penny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times $13.39 to the penny. Now we're overbought on the weekly. Let's take a look at the daily. Here's the daily in our platform, and we can clearly see where the gap had started with the earnings report. And you know, these are the great spots and these are the great bull market companies right here, and have been all of last year and the year before when we first spotted them when they first came. This is how innovative our companies are. But now we have price exhaustion. Each half delta was $4.63 to the penny. And we went 1, 2, 3, 4 times 463. This is the daily chart on TWLO. So we can clearly see how to identify, trade the earnings gap as we did. Then we had a daily consolidation, and basically it was a 1/2 delta times 2, so it would be 1 delta script times 2, so that's roughly about $9. So we couldn't take out the highs, and then we would dip down, and you could see the breakout here, and you could see here we closed up on Options Friday. Happy Memorial Weekend, everybody. Once again, you have to know when to be a seller on the highs, and this is the daily in our platform. And yes, we could go higher on Monday, but it will be price exhaustion and whatnot. So a half a delta up from here would be, let's just call it 215.32 on a daily. So what we do see is the opportunities that these bull runs like Twlo have done, and we're going into a seasonality period, and it's overbought on a weekly chart. But it's nice to see the mathematical formulas in play right here in our platform, okay? And IB is just used for executing orders. Our decisions are made here. Price exhaustion, TWLO, daily chart. We take a look at a 3-week move with the earnings. We can see there, and then this was the follow through and the breakout, and we're overbought. So I'm going to conclude that on the weekly. Here is the daily, and we are price exhaustion. And here is a weekly bull run, and it's overbought on the weekly. So when it pulls back, then we'll go ahead and go for the lower support levels on a pullback. But we know that we're going to pull back because it's overbought, and we will. So we can look at the 210, 215, 220 puts. Whatever happens, if we do go higher, then they will even get cheaper. So this is on the opportunity list as a setup with a bull run stock that's extremely strong. But guess what? They get overbought. And we have taken this thing all the way up here, and we'll buy the dips when it wants to come down. And we're going to conclude it, and we're going to have it in our watch list, TWLO. So we'll have our options both on the call side and the put side set up with the opportunities.